Congratulations! You have maybe installed WordPress, but now you are looking at the screen and thinking, what do all these buttons do, right? Don't panic. Think of the WordPress dashboard as the control room of your website. From here, you can control everything: the look, the content, and the power. And today, I'm going to tell you what you can do from WordPress dashboard. I will introduce you every part from here. So let's dive into the video of your WordPress dashboard. And this is called the navigation menu. First, you can see the post option. Here you can write your blog articles and they are timely like a newsfeed. From all posts you will find the published post from your website, and then add post, you can add a new article from this option. Then you will get categories, your post by different names, and then tags. These are the small niche, like if you are writing a food article then it would be food tag, or if you are writing a product item then it will be the single product name tag, just like this. Right below you will find media. This is your library for every image, video, PDF you upload. Then we have pages. Now unlike post, these are static. Think of your about us or contact page. If it doesn't change often, then it's called a page. Then you will find comments. When people comment in your articles or post, you can find the comments from this comment section. Now this is where the fun starts. You will see the appearance. This is your website wardrobe, and this is where you pick your themes to change the entire design in one click. Then you have plugins. This is the most powerful part of your WordPress dashboard. Now think of plugins like apps for your phone. Want an online store? Install a plugin. And if you can dream it, there is a plugin for it. Finally, let's look at the bottom of the list. You can see these users. This is where you add team members, and you can give someone editor access without giving them the admin keys to the kingdom. Then we have tools. Then the most important is settings. This is the brain of your site. Now here I want to show you something. From settings, go to the permalinks. Here you can see the permalink structure. Select this post name and click save changes. It makes your URLs look professional and helps you rank on Google. And don't forget about the top bar. Did you see the little house icon at the top? Click it to jump between your edit screen and what the world actually sees. This will be your website. Now go to the WordPress dashboard again, and you can see the dashboard. Click on this home. On this main home screen you will see the health status and quick draft. It's like your morning coffee view of how your site is doing. And that's it. See, it's not a scary mess. It's a powerful tool, is designed only for you. Now that you know where everything, it's time to start creating. If this tour helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more WordPress magic, and comment below what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.